Welcome, language enthusiasts, to an exhilarating journey through the captivating realm of verb tenses in English. In this captivating lesson, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of verb tenses, uncovering their secrets and unveiling their power to transform your language skills. Now, let's embark on this grammatical odyssey. At its core, there are three mighty verb tenses: present, past, and future. But hold on to your seats, because within these tenses lie four distinct aspects: the simple, continuous, perfect simple, and perfect continuous. When these aspects intertwine with our three tenses, behold the magnificent 12 verb tenses. Let's dive into the brilliance of each tense, shall we? Present simple, the beacon of general truths, daily habits, and unchanging situations. Present continuous, the spotlight on actions that dance in the present moment or its vicinity. Behold the present perfect, a bridge between past actions and their present impact. Perfect for sharing your experiences. Present perfect continuous, capturing actions that set sail in the past, yet still voyage through the present. The past simple, your portal to recounting completed tales of the past. Past continuous, your ticket to moments frozen in time, capturing actions in progress at specific past junctures. Venture further into the past with the past perfect, a lens to view actions concluded before a particular historical marker. And don't blink, or you'll miss the past perfect continuous, chronicling actions that commenced in the past, unfolded through time, and met their finale before another past spectacle. But wait, we're not done yet. The future awaits, and so do its marvelous tenses. Brace yourselves for a sneak peek into the realm of the future, where possibilities abound. Behold the future simple, your compass for expressing events that lie ahead, crystal clear and full of anticipation. And now, step into the future continuous, a window into ongoing actions that will unfold at a specific time in the future, like a symphony building to its crescendo. Prepare for the future perfect, a glimpse into actions that will be perfected before a future milestone, like pieces of a puzzle falling into place. Last, but not least, the future perfect continuous, your guide to actions that will commence in the future, continue their journey through time, and harmoniously conclude before another future event takes center stage.